Jacques, it's been a while since the laughs have flowed like wine, if you will.
And here it is again.
Here we are again. We have a special episode for you guys today because we are throwing a Thai food party from the garden. We're bringing some of the Epic Gardening team here and our friend Supannee from Supannee House of Thai, awesome restaurant here. She is a great gardener, but she's also a fantastic Thai chef. She's coming in like 5 minutes. She sent us the recipes.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. So in a second, you're gonna meet Supannee and we're gonna go around the garden, harvesting, transforming all those ingredients into authentic Supannee Thai cuisine. We'll see what it all tastes like at the end.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be very good. Well, look who it is.
Hey,
Supannee!
feast.
Let's go! The trunk shot. What do we got in the trunk, Supannee?
So all kind of things you name it. This is we call personal chef. What else?
Personal chef Supannee. Okay, we got some stuff.
Ready.
We got some stuff to harvest. We got some stuff to cook. And you guys are gonna learn the secrets of Thai cuisine. Supannee, welcome. It's been a while since you've seen the garden, especially in the summer. So we have a groceries list. We're gonna see how much we can get from the garden. What's the first thing you need?
I need everything. Like for example, I already saw.
You want some zucchini?
Zucchini.
Okay, let's get some.
Let's get.
How many we need?
Zucchini. Maybe 2 or 3.
There's a big one hiding down
How's
here.
this?
Yeah, this is really beautiful.
here we
We're gonna put this in the noodles and the curries.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. So we got 2 zucchini.
I need pepper, lots of peppers.
What kind though? Because we have about 20.
I need red and green for the noodles.
Like bell pepper?
Bell
Sweet.
pepper.
Okay, so there's bells right there, right
Little
down
baby
there.
bells.
Okay,
They're smaller, but they still work.
that works.
Yeah, that works.
I saw one of
There's a lot
And
of
then
nice
do we
red.
need Thai chili or no?
We need Thai chili. Yes.
Okay, I've got just the thing. I'll be right back, Supannee. You're gonna be very excited.
And then I have these. I probably need some red too.
Some sweet red?
And also yes. Oh my God, can I have another one of those, please?
Yes.
I saw over there, Jock, right by.
Yeah.
left. Wow,
Oh yeah, there's one
this
right
is
here.
Heaven. I can't believe this. I want this kind of garden here. This is
There's
This
another.
is what I think. This is the most
Okay.
beautiful.
Are you ready to be
Yes.
impressed and surprised?
Where?
Ready?
Homegrown.
Homegrown. Oh my
Homegrown.
God! Can you? We can make this at the chili, roasted chili.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Is this enough?
Sure.
Yeah.
Start with that first.
I tried, guys.
Here's
I
another
tried.
one.
Cucumbers.
Let's go.
I need.
So I
wow.
think-
I can't believe that this is so beautiful.
Thank
Oh
you.
my God.
It's a team effort.
This is. Oh, I found one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's.
Oh, there we go. Nice.
We're
There's
gonna
a lot.
use these. We're gonna use these for the rolls,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna use this in our salad.
Okay,
Okay.
The
perfect.
salad is gonna be really good for the.
And Supannee wanted potatoes, right?
I need potato. I need onions.
Okay, I'll show you where the onions are in a second, but
Okay.
come over this way because we haven't harvested any potatoes yet.
Okay.
And you're actually going to be the first this whole season to
Wow,
harvest.
I'm so excited.
Ready? Mm-hmm. You want to do the honors? Do the pull?
Me?
Yeah, go for it.
Pull where?
There.
Oh my God! Look at this one.
Look at that. Oh, is that enough?
Oh, I think so. No.
I think that's
saw
enough.
This
Oh
side.
man, there's a lot.
There's a lot, and this is just one.
Wow.
This is either Baltic Rose or Norland Red.
Yeah. Looks a little purpley.
This is really good because
that enough?
we need color.
Oh,
in
okay.
the curry.
Okay, so we've
This
got
is
the
good.
potatoes. Let's put all those in there. Oh, there's more.
Bonus potatoes.
A couple golden diamonds down there. There's always more, isn't
I
there?
know.
Like, there's always more.
There's the seed for next year.
Yeah.
There's one hiding in here.
You always do this, Supannee. This is my Filipino secret to match your Thai gardening secrets.
Okay.
A refund.
You just
Leave one. Leave one.
All right. I do that too.
No, that's a Filipino thing.
It's a Thai thing too.
Don't take it from me. Don't take it from us. We've had enough taken from us, Supannee.
No, it's a Thai thing too.
I believe you. I believe you.
Okay, and now I think I
I
need
want these.
Yeah, I'll take them.
flowers.
All right, let's go to the flower patch over here.
How about eggs? Later.
Eggs. Yes. Let's go check.
Put tomatoes. I need tomatoes.
We'll get that. We'll get it all. Don't worry.
Wow, look at all this. Oh my God. Eggs. We're gonna make pad see ew with that.
It's pretty nice.
I mean,
Supannee is raiding my chicken coop.
so eggs.
at her.
Oh my God, I wish I had these.
Look what we got already.
The basket's getting heavy, huh?
Basket's getting
That is
heavy.
Gonna be really
Show us a
good.
bicep curl. There. Oh, wow. So, tomatoes, we got some bigger ones over here.
Oh my God, look at these tomatoes. Look, can I
How's-
taste one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have one.
Sorry.
These are sauce tomato, and then there's big tomatoes.
My God, this is so good.
Do you think we want these big ones though, right?
What?
Do we want big ones? Small.
We can take small and big. Oh, this is right.
So both. Let's get you one of these big boys.
Wow, this is good.
And I have more inside. Because we got to go get the onions.
This is what I always do when I go in the
Yeah.
garden. I eat
Eat half of it.
everything. I eat. Wait, this. We can use this.
That one's lemon basil.
It's okay.
It's fine?
Yeah, this is basil. We can use this for the
rolls?
No, this we're gonna use for drunken noodles.
Oh.
And we can put in the rolls too because it's,
Okay.
you know, we can put anything in anything.
You have enough?
Sorry, I make
No, it's okay.
You harvested it all from one spot.
carrots. We don't need carrots.
If you want.
Just one.
Yeah. See what we got.
Wow, look at these carrots right here.
I mean, that one looks good.
This one look good.
That's
Yeah,
big.
you can pull any of those because I honestly forgot about them.
Look, this
That's decent.
carrot's
That's
still
decent.
good.
Yeah.
Mm,
There we go.
this good. Let's get it.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Look
Pick
at
whatever
this
you want. This is
apple.
on you. This is our best year of apples we've ever had.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
I can
Oh, yeah.
pick.
Yeah, of course.
Don't tell me twice.
I don't even think I have to tell you once. Honestly, I don't think I have to tell you once.
Because I will.
This basket smells
this
good.
This is gonna be so good in the fruit salad. How about
Do you know what that is?
We have some Valencia orange. That's about it.
what do you need?
Papaya.
Oh my God, you have papaya. Next time we're gonna do
Green papaya salad, yeah.
salad from here.
Yeah.
Oranges. I
Okay.
saw one.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Are you going that somewhere? Maybe this is for the salad. Okay.
Okay.
3 is enough.
Here you go.
That's great. All right, should we get the onions and garlic?
Yes.
All right. And that's the final, right?
This one too.
No, they're not ready.
That's lime.
Those limes aren't ready.
Oh, there's one up here if you want.
Oh, is there? Yeah, grab that, grab that.
No, I just want to pick because I have everything.
So you just want to pick, just to pick. Supannee
That's
is
special.
a character.
How about this?
I don't know. That's special, maybe.
What is this?
Peach. We can put in the
Sure,
salad.
sure.
Look, it's beautiful. Let's do that. It's gonna be good.
That's on
I
the tree.
know that you guys gonna love.
There goes summer.
What you say?
No, I'm kidding.
You
All right,
gonna love the
let's
the
get you
salad.
some. Let's get you some onions and garlic.
I'm making this egg. My new thing that I want to do the roll with it. It's gonna be really beautiful and delicious.
So you got the crepe Supannee? Mm-hmm. Let's take a look.
Yes, that's the cream.
That looks good.
Looks good.
I'm gonna put together with the flowers.
Looks
and
very, very
roll.
good. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this pineapple, but why not try to grow another pineapple from it? Have you ever done this?
I have not.
Okay. So you come down about this far. You gotta leave enough, right?
Yes, you leave enough for it.
And then, so now I can regrow this if I want to,
Yes.
which
and-
is why, you know, I don't know if you know this, you know that pink pineapple that you can buy? Have you ever seen that?
Yes.
It never comes with a top because if it does, you can grow it, and it's patented, so you can't do it. So you'll never see that come with a top when you buy it.
They
at the
keep it
nursery.
away from the people.
They keep it away from the common man like you and I. So
And did you know
Kinda
that
dumb.
a lot of people use that to soak in water until roots it first?
Yeah, yeah.
But I never done that.
Yeah.
I just go
boom,
Boop.
boom.
put it right in.
Okay.
Yep.
And then do you just cut around the core then, Jock?
I go straight down the
This is
middle.
how I do
Yeah,
it.
show us, Supannee.
Oh, you removed that.
Yeah,
How do
you
you-
have to remove all this.
This is what we call knife discipline right here. I don't have that confidence.
Yeah.
Not yet.
After that, I split it down the middle.
Look, I
And so-
always chop my knife with whatever.
With the
it is.
peeler, yeah.
No, not the peeler. With anything, you know?
The honing.
Does that work?
Look now.
Little round.
Oh, wow. It does work.
Yeah, it works.
Wow,
This.
pro tip. Okay, so the carrots go in, right?
Carrots and these go in.
Potatoes?
Yeah.
Let's go. Carrots.
These maybe you wait for
Okay.
a little bit.
Potatoes.
Let's bring all the ingredient in here.
All right. So onions are gonna go in later so they don't get too soft.
Where's our eggs? I'm gonna try
Outside.
with the
I'll go
egg
get it.
first.
Ah, okay.
I'm gonna try the egg first. Sorry, too many things.
Your mind works so fast.
Yeah, that's what people always said about me. You move so fast, Supannee.
Oh, I'm stoked. I've never seen the egg summer roll though.
Yeah,
It's a cool idea.
it's really cool.
Okay, we're gonna start right now.
Yes.
All right. So
Let me start.
You
to
start.
see-
Yeah.
No, let me start to see how I do it first. I remember.
Because have you ever done eggs before or no?
Yes.
You have. Okay.
Remember I sent you the picture?
Yeah.
Wait, so did you find my flowers?
No, those are the only ones. Oh, they're right there.
Because
got the
my
pansies.
flower is bigger.
Ah,
That's why.
Your flowers aren't bigger, man.
I tried. I tried. I did my
And
best.
then-
Those do
just
look
put-
exceptional.
Those do look good though. Yeah. You got the pans. You got the. Oh, you got the plumeria. You can eat plumeria.
Yes,
Oh.
you can eat all kinds of rice eggs. We're just gonna roll all the way.
Oh, straight up.
Oh, so you roll it. So you don't do the fold in for this.
No,
Ah.
you can
can,
fold
yeah.
in, but this is what it is,
Oh, that's nice.
right?
Yeah.
But we need more flour next time.
Okay,
You put
yeah.
that away. Where is my?
Should I put it on a like a
Yeah,
little
get
cutting
another
board?
plate, I guess.
Yeah, put it.
Maybe I'll put it on this.
I'm gonna need a lot of flour for it. Yeah, you can. Oh, this one is pretty, but it's small.
It's okay.
Is that-
Tastes good.
Pretty. Yeah.
That's all that matters.
The last one I forgot why it's so small because I forgot the carrots.
It's okay. That one.
That one's for a
That one's for cousin.
less hungry person. Yeah.
But when we cut, it's gonna be different because it's.
It's okay.
Oh, you're gonna cut these, huh?
We'll tell them that.
Yes.
Tell them
Wait
that I
until-
made that one. Okay. Tell them I forgot to put the carrot.
Who made this one though? Is that you?
I
Really?
don't.
It's like I'm not gonna say anything.
Don't even go there.
Really? I thought maybe I made that one. It was so bad.
Because the eggs. Because it's the eggs, man.
It's the homegrown eggs, probably.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
probably my
right.
eggs, right?
Right? Because they're homegrown. Yeah,
I'm
let's
betting that's
do the real summer roll. I'm gonna have to clean this because of the egg.
Ooh.
Is she okay with that?
I'm not gonna lie. I just tried a little bit of the curry and it was very good. That's good.
Hey.
That's really good. Yeah, it's on the floor now too.
Okay.
But remember, jocks from the. You see, feel it. Run it. You
So the smooth
use
side
the
down?
Smooth side down.
So
and
that
play
it's
with
bumpy.
it. Play with it.
And then put down the petals.
Yeah. All that. These for decoration.
Oh, sorry.
But you can eat it. Okay, we are, bring the noodle for me, please.
Okay. Oh,
Ooh.
I'm start,
noodle time.
yeah, noodle time. And
Let me
all
grab
that-
some place settings out of here.
That's all we have to do is.
Supannee.
Whoa.
Wow.
Jacques in the kitchen. Right?
Yes.
One time, long time ago when I first met Jacques, we were rebuilding the fence around the property. We were getting that prepped. You guys, if you're a long-time Epic Homesteading watcher, you remember we were getting the fences prepped. There were like 7 fences on the property. Jacques and I had some Supannee. We had some pad thai.
Oh yeah.
I got tired. I got like really tired, kind of carb overload. I was like, I gotta go inside. I gotta do a little work on the computer, whatever. I come out. Jacques ripped out like 7 posts to some
Like
insane,
4 feet deep or
4
something.
feet deep. He's ripped the concrete out. I have a picture of him like holding up a big post. He's like pad thai energy. So who knows? We might see a crazy.
You don't know what's gonna get unlocked. when you
Crazy
eat all those
guy
noodles. Until I'm out of lettuce.
Pad CU time, huh?
No, this is drunk.
Oh, this is drunken?
Are you drunk yet?
Not yet. I'm drunk on life, Supannee. You know that.
Doc, try it.
That's spoon.
It's really
feed.
good.
That's spoon feed.
I love the little bit of sweetness too.
Oh my God, you have Thai bowl, Thai
Oh yeah, there's a bunch.
sweeper. What?
It's so funny.
That was the secret stash.
Funny, that's Filipino. That's a Filipino broom. So, Supannee, what do we have on the table? Break it down for me.
Pad see ew,
Pad see ew, drunken noodles,
noodles, fruit salad,
fruit salad,
Thai style,
Thai style,
summer roll with edible flour and avocados.
more salad,
This is more salad. That is vegan, and this one is
egg summer roll,
egg summer roll
and then a vegetarian yellow curry.
and rice.
And rice for
And then dessert is coming.
sticky rice that's coming later. So a Thai feast
Okay.
from the garden with Supannee, Jacques on the help. He's got
Cheers.
himself
Got
a
myself
drink.
a little drink.
We will show you in a second what the team thinks. So the Epic Gardening team is here. We're enjoying a little meal together. Good luck in the garden, guys, and keep on growing.
Fun.
Thanks, Supannee.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the final layout, guys. We've got pad see ew, drunken noodles, a vegetarian yellow curry. We got a bunch of different summer rolls, and we have the Epic Gardening team here. So you know Jacques, but there's a lot more people that make Epic Gardening go around, and this is just some of them. So if you've ever had a good experience with us, it's because of all these people right here. There's Molly, Piper, Tim, Ashley, Paul. Hey, with the hat off, it's hard to get that. And a bunch of other amazing people. So we'll see you. We gotta eat.